What is Google Drive? Drive is cloud storage that allows you to store, share, and collaborate using folders and files from any device with an internet connection. Let's take a look at Google Drive and its features. Sign into your Google account and open Drive from either Clever or the Waffle. Now we're going to take a look at the layout of Drive. Quick access at the top shows thumbnails of files you have recently opened. Beneath Quick Access are all your folders and files listed alphabetically. Each folder or file has an icon preceding its name to identify it. So there's a folder for a folder. Go down to Files, you'll see a doc, a form, a slide, etc. Folders and files are arranged alphabetically A to Z by default, but you can choose Z to A by clicking this arrow. Or you can look at the last date it was modified. Last modified by me, or last opened by me. In the upper right corner of the screen, you will see this grid icon. This allows you to put your folders and files in a list view or a grid view. This is in list view on my screen, but if you switch it, you'll get a grid view. With, again, folders are first, and then you'll have thumbnails of your files. Back to the list. If you highlight a folder, you'll notice other options up here on the upper right. You can get a link, you can share it, you can delete it, or the three dots give you many more options. Also, this circle with the eye in it, this gives you details on your folder. Again, it shows you all the details, what was modified, opened, created, and any activity that has gone on in that folder. If you highlight a file, you also see the same menu up here, but you have the link sharing. You also have this option to preview your file, which gives you a quick preview without opening it. Again, and you can get details about creation and size and any activity that has gone on with your file. Now we're going to take a look at these left-handed menus. You have the ability, first is new, is where you create new folders and files. Lists all the file types, or you can upload folders and files. My Drive lists all your folders and subfolders that you have created. Folders and subfolders. Shared with me are any folder or file that has been shared with you. You'll see a person icon within the folder icon, and you'll also see who it is shared by and the date. Recent is by date. Any files you have accessed, it shows your date opened, uploaded, etc., and by whom. Starred. This section is like a favorite section. You can star files that you want quick access to and unstar them when you no longer want quick access. I'll show you quickly how to do that. If you go to My Drive, go down to your files, this is the PowerPoint, go to your three dots up here, Add to Starred. So you notice a star icon appears right in your Drive. You go to Starred, and this is the one that I just put in there. You also have your trash. Trash, items in trash are automatically deleted after 30 days. Files can also be restored if you right-click on them and restore. You can also search your Drive. Up at the top is a search bar. You click in it. You can search just by terms, keywords. You can search by a person that sent you a file or created a file. You can search by file type, or you can go to an advanced search, which combines all of these. Lastly, we're going to look at priority. Priority is what Google's AI identifies as most relevant to you. You use priority to quickly access files, and this space is organized by workspaces. So across the top, you're going to see any thumbnails of any documents or items that Google's AI has determined is important to you. It might not be. Workspaces are just below that. They are in the area within priority to sort, organize, and quickly access files without searching your drive. And each workspace has a 25 file limit. So you go create. You want to name your workspace, let's say math, and create. Automatically pops up with an option to add your files. Mine already has one in that, so you can choose another file. And you'll see a pop-up over here. And you'll see you can recent files, my drive, or shared files. So I'm just going to choose one. You insert. Now you'll see there's 2 files in here, and done. And down here, you will see these are alphabetically your math workspace. You have options with this workspace, the 3 dots, you can rename it, hide it, or remove it. This concludes the Google Drive Basics tutorial. Take some time to explore your Google Drive and its many helpful features.